What's up? Videos from the Cracker Boat. New webcast. Web show. Podcast. Thing. Whatever you want to call it. It's called Tales from the Cracker Boat. Thank May Shelley for that tap. No, it's not just looking at my boob. I have a dog. Look at my dog. My doggy. In case you're noticing, yes, those were my little splatter socks. As you can tell, I'm not in the Cracker Boat right now. I'm on my couch, and as you'll soon figure out, Cracker Boat means bed. Long story short, Mary's a crackhead. On the Cracker Boat. So, I don't really know what I'm going to talk about on this web show spectacular. Probably whatever is happening at the time, the random thoughts that, if you know me, I'm one of the most random people ever. I'm quiet if you don't know me, but I'm very random. So, and tons of people have said to me, Zoe, what the hell goes on in your head? Because it's not right. No, it's not right, but now you get to see all the shit that goes on in my head. Hey, look. This is my kitty. She loves you. Hates you. Say hi, kitty. She's a ragdoll, so she'll do whatever. Look at the cat. I make a lot of faces. You'll notice I make a lot of faces. I'm a hippopotamus. So, I suppose that's it for now. Try to make them every once in a while. Probably not going to be regular for a while. Like a period, it won't really be regular. Sometimes it will be, sometimes it's irregular. Too much information.